What's up, guys? Dirty White Wagon here. We are getting ready to do a new installation on the Alucab. We are going to be adding a new diesel heater port so that we don't have to camp anymore in the winter months with one of these windows open and the vinyl rolled down on the inside, and then just kind of stuffing the dryer hose that attaches to the diesel heater through the zipper here. That's kind of what we've been doing. So what we're looking forward to is actually just being able to connect the diesel heater right here to the Alucab. There's going to be a twist lock mount that we ended up getting from Bin 3D. I've been looking at their products for a while now, and it's really awesome. So we're pretty excited to get that on here, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys kind of how we do that. So I'm going to get ready to get this thing taped off, and we'll work from there. Just gonna let you know if you hear any background noise. It's probably the fridge running right there. All right, guys, so right here is where we are gonna drill in the hole for the mount for this 3D printed Bin 3D diesel heater port. What you can see is that there's recesses in here, and that's for that twist lock mechanism. That's gonna work really, really awesome. And basically this holds your diesel heater's dryer hose or whatever kind of hosing you use, ducting, to connect to it. So it just looks like that. And we are gonna use the hole saw, drill a hole right there, Sikaflex all the way around this, and then basically when we are not having the hose hooked up to it, that's what that looks like. So that's gonna live right here on our Alucab, just like that. So I'm gonna get ready to drill the hole now for this so I can get this mounted in here, and yeah, I think it's gonna work out pretty good for us. No turning back now. And there it is. Oh yeah, make sure you wear eye protection. So now I'm gonna clean up the shavings. All right. And we're gonna run a little file in there. All right, guys, we're just gonna, it's aluminum, so it's not gonna rust, but we're still gonna hit this with some touch-up paint real quick. That might be a little much, but that's okay. Old shirt for the win. Go, because most of that's going to be covered up anyway. So again, not worried about the little differentiation in color right there. Mostly just trying to get that protected. So thank you. Again, we're not looking for perfection here with this. It's mostly just getting it protected just that little bit, just so that there's no actual bare aluminum. Hey YouTube, it's been a couple days since we were working on the truck, so we ended up finishing that diesel heater port install, and basically I just ran out of light the other night when I was out here filming it, and I needed to get the truck sealed up before we had rain coming in obviously that night, so I kind of had to rush to go ahead and finish that up. So let me kind of show you guys what we ended up doing. Alright guys, so here you can see that is the port installed on the exterior of the Alucabin right there. And basically right now we used Sikaflex all around here on the back side of the mount to make sure that we had a watertight seal. That right there is the internal port and how that works. So you can see the grooves in here actually show you how you can use the twist lock mechanism here. And then obviously I'll show you guys inside, but this vent here is directional, so I can move that around however I want to be able to direct the airflow. Alright, so we're inside the Alucabin now. Basically got out of the wind because it was making a whole lot of noise out there and starting to whip. So here inside, you can see right here on the window, I'll get you guys a close-up of that here pretty soon, but this is that omnidirectional vent. And you know, basically there's another mount on the wall here that is has the inserts here that we just bolt the exterior bolts through into here, and then there's 3 more bolts that you'll see where basically we attach and tighten it just tight enough, but not too tight where we can still maneuver that piece all the way around. All right, so here's the close-up of that directional vent. You can kind of see this moves around. So if I want that air to just blow straight down into the camper, I will hold it and have it set like that. If I want it angled to where it shoots back towards the other direction of the camper, closer to like where the pass-through is, to have that heat come down and up, we do it like that. And there's really no reason to run it this way, because then the heat would just blow straight at my water tank here. So no reason to really do that at the top.